Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about tofu scramble. So tofu is a great alternative to eggs, and it's got a very high level of protein, so you can start your day off with that big pack of protein. So first of all, you want to take your tofu and you want to put it in, wrapped in a paper towel, and so it kind of absorbs all the moisture. Then you're going to take some of your favorite vegetables. I like to use onion, red pepper, some jalapeno, some fresh garlic, and I do like cilantro or basil. Chop up all your vegetables. Then you're going to crumble your tofu. Add some cheese, and we love our rocket salsa. Afterwards, you're going to get this beautiful. And one other note, I prefer to use the sauce. So remember to stay sure, strong, and steady, and start your morning out with a big bite of tofu scramble.